Ay, gusto mo pang matulog pero ang mga bujinggit. Good morning, Chico. Sit down na, we have breakfast na. Chico, Calvi. Lingkod na diri, oh. Bread and milk and Prestige. Calvi? Alright, tapos na kaming mag-breakfast, guys, lahat. So, si Auntie din, tapos na siyang mag-breakfast. Ang mga bata ay nanonood ng TV. And Auntie, how's the weather today? Raining. Okay, I know. By the way, a lot of them are asking if we can go and see your village. I think they missed the last video we had there, but it's good to go back. Yeah. Should we go and show them? Yes. What are we going? You guys, we have an harvesting season. Harvesting season. Yes. You guys, if you would like to see this one coming very soon, please come with us. We will go to Auntie Christine. It's very, very far. And if you would like to participate in our, we would like to do some, maybe some feeding activity. Let's ask them if they would like to participate. And someone would like to share some blessing. It would be nice to call all the children and we feed them, right? Yeah. Okay, so Auntie, what are they going to see in your village?
They're going to see a lot of things.
Like what is unique there? Last time the mud huts there was unique.
Yeah, and it's harvesting season for the shea butter.
Wow!
Yeah.
Oh,
and
yes.
the nuts.
Wow, so Auntie is going to show Auntie is going to show us, guys, a lot of things. And this the main reason why we are going there is because we are going to see Auntie's family and spend time with them for, not for the last time, but before we go to another country and pray together. And they want to say their well wishes to Auntie Christine, right? Yeah. So Auntie's village is very, very unique. She's going to show us a lot of cooking in that side. So watch out because Auntie's cooking in their village is also different from how they cook from here. Right, Auntie? Okay, so who is waiting for us there?
My parents, my siblings, and some few relatives.
Yeah. We are going to sit in the mat under the tree.
Under the tree, the mango tree.
Yes, you see, guys, we will see if there's mango and we will pick and eat together. So this is what we are looking forward this week. I know a lot of them, when we release the episode with you, they wanted to see. They said, Madam, can you go with Auntie? We want to see their place. Madam, you just go with Auntie. You just go with Auntie so we can also see what Auntie is going to do with her family. Okay, we will go, guys. We will go. We will go even with Joseph. Yeah. So, si Auntie ngayon, guys, nagpre-prepare na siya ng ating pananghalian. Yan. They are asking what Auntie's job. So, Auntie's job, main job is here in the kitchen. She cooks. She's going to make food, Filipino dish out of the fish. Kasi kakatapos lang ni Auntie maglaba. Ayan, no, naglaba si Auntie kahit maulan. Nagload siya ng washing machine pero maulan ngayon. And then naglinis siya dito sa balcony. Malinis naman yung balcony kasi araw-araw niya ginascrub. Pero ayan, oh, kasi maalikabok. At least ngayon hindi na siya maalikabok. Ay, we forgot our light on. Let me turn off, Auntie. I want to make some muffins, cupcake for the kids. But later when the kitchen is not busy. So, you guys, normally we do, Auntie and I, we do feeding program dito sa Kampala. Or nag-feeding program din ako minsan sa Buama, malapit sa Chapakuku. So, ngayon, papunta tayo kina Auntie Christine. Ngayong linggo, ngayong Biyernes, Sabado, Linggo. Ayan, samahan nyo kami. At sana ay makapagpa-feeding din tayo doon. Kung meron man sa inyong gusto magpaabot or gusto mag-take part para sa feeding program na to, makabili tayo ng something para sa mga bata. Ayan, you are welcome po. You can send me an email and then you will see this activity together if you would like. Of course, please feel free kasi this is going to be for a good purpose naman. Kasi may kalayuan yung probinsya nila Auntie, mga 8 oras. So, itatry namin na magbiyahe from morning hanggang hapon. And then, let's see what we can do there. But, it's a good thing to do, lalo na ngayong nalalapit na yung aming pag-alis. nakapag-prepare na kami ng konti, pero marami pa rin kailangang gawin. So, better na mapuntahan na natin yung pamilya ni Auntie Christine, makapagpaalam na siya at makapag-pray na together bago kami talagang seryosong mang-impake. So, of course, you guys, if you wanna see more of this episode, please stay with us and keep on watching! Yes? Chico? What do you want? What do you want? Wala talagang araw, walang oras na pag nawawala ako, hindi maghahanap. Kwentuhan ko kayo guys ng full conversation namin ni Chico. Natatawa ako kasi sa edad niya na magto 2 years old pa lang siya. For me, normal na nagsasalita talaga sila sa ganyang edad kasi Calby was like that as well, growing up. So ngayon kay Chico, it's the same. Pero nakakamangha pa din na full conversation talaga. So kaninang umaga, pagkagising niya, katok na siya ng katok. Sabi, "Ma'am, open. Ma'am, open." Alam niyo yung parang antok na antok ka pa, pero ang cute kasi ng boses ni Chico. Guys, parang manok sa labas ng pinto. Ganun pa siya, pakatok-katok ganito. Okay, sampulan natin. "Ma'am, open. Ma'am, open. Ma'am, open." Hindi siya titigil hanggang sa hindi niya bubuksan. So talagang ikaw, natatawa ka na lang talaga. Ako nga tawa ako ng tawa, pero antok naman ako na antok. So ngayon, binuksan ko na. Umakyat na agad sa bed. Dala-dala niya na yung gatas niya. Lagi yan every morning. Tapos sasabihin niya, "Mom, milk, sleep." Tatabihan. Hindi siya matutulog, pero magpapalambing lang. Gusto niya lang yung amoy, yung hug, ganon. Kasi sinasanay ko siya lately na kay Auntie Christine tumabi. Dahil nga, parating na naman yung another baby soon. So, ayoko na magkaroon ng malaking masyak siya sa changes. So, dahan-dahanin natin. Ngayon, pumasok na ako ng toilet, guys. Kinuklose ko talaga yung door kasi ayoko na papasok sila ng toilet. Naglalaro agad ng tubig, tapos nagto-toilet ako. Nahihirapan akong bantayan sila. Katok siya ng katok sa toilet. Sabi, "Ma'am," kapag hindi niya ako nakikita, "Ma'am, where are you?" Pag ganun pa. Pag hindi ako sumagot, "Ma'am, where are you?" Eh di sinabihan ko siya, "I'm here in the toilet." Sabi kong ganun. Sabing ganun sa akin. "Ma'am, where are you?" Sabi ko, "I'm in the toilet, anak. Mommy is doing poo-poo." Sabi kong ganun. Tapos, nagsagot pa. "Ma'am, open. Ma'am, open." I said, "No, anak. You cannot open the door when mommy is in the toilet." Alam nyo guys, anong sabi? Gumano, narinig ko. Narinig ko sa toilet. So, talagang full conversation na nakakatuwa. Ayan na siya. "Where are you going?" O, di ba naka-shorts na siya ngayon guys. Wala nang diaper. "Where are you going?" Malamig na umaga. They said in the evening pa.
We are going to go in the evening.
We are still packing, love. Yeah, you don't forget, yes? So, lalabas kami dahil ang dalawang anak ko ay hindi nakalabas ng matagal. Akala ko today, ako lang yung lalabas, pero parang malungkot man. So, isama natin lahat, pati si Auntie. Ayun. Alright. Is it here? Auntie, car is here. Joseph?
My papa.
Lolly love. Good boy.
Red light.
Ang saya talaga ni Chico, oh. Basta nakalabas kami. So, pupunta ako ngayon sa aking mga kakilalang lokal na nagsusupply ng mga lokal na product. Pagdating sa mga tela, pagdating sa mga handicraft, art and craft, na talagang gawang Africa at hindi kopya. Ayun. So, mabuti meron akong mga trusted, no, mga nagsusupply, kasi merong iba na peke, merong iba na kopya. So, kapag hindi trusted yung supplier mo, pwedeng sabihin na ito galing ng Congo, ito galing ng Kenya, pero hindi naman pala, hindi ganun. So, let's go at puntahan natin, samahan nyo kami. Sama ko na yung mga bata. Ay, medyo maulan. What's wrong? Maaga pa ako na high blood, guys, kaya dumating na yung Chico, dumating na yung Uber. Ang bastos ng driver. Eh di kinancel ko on the spot kahit nandito na siya. Alam mo, may mga bata, okay lang sana kung 7 years old or 10 years old or yung mga 6 ganyan. Pero ang kinakausap niya ay 3 years old tsaka magto 2 years old pa lang. Eh di si Chico nakaupo na, nagposisyon yung bata. Pag posisyon ng bata pag upo, natapakan yung seat ng sasakyan. Hala, nagalit siya. Nagalit siya ng bongga. Tapos may paganon-ganon pa siya. Oh my God! Oh my God! Excuse me? Sinabihan ko talaga siya, why are you angry? These are small kids. If you don't want to ride a family and small kids, I will cancel this car. Sinabihan niya ko, you cancel, you cancel. I wasted my fuel to come here, you cancel. Sinabihan niya pa naman si Chico na, get out, you get out. Pati si kulit-kulot, ay, sabi ko sa kanya, loko ka, ganyan ka magsalita sa 2 years old tsaka sa 3 years old. Abnormal ka pala. Siyempre hindi ko sinabi, pero sa utak ko, guys, ganun. Tapos tinignan ko siya, sabi ko sa kanya, parang hindi ako makapaniwala. Pero anyway, sabi ko kay Joseph, i-cancel mo na ngayon, hindi tayo sasakay dyan. Bastos, kahit nga si Joseph sabi niya, ay kabastos ng driver. Buang kaayo, makalagot, sa'yo pata na high blood. Naliman ka bastos sa mga bata. Ganun magsalita, 2 years old, sinabihan niya si Kulot na, you get out. Excuse me? Hindi mo nga yan masabi sa mga adult, sabihin mo pa sa 2 years old, ay puplax ka pala. Ay, kinansel ko talaga, guys, bahala, sayang ang gasolina niya pagpunta dito. Tawagan ko pa ang may-ari ng kumpanya at i-complain eh. Bastos na ugali ay. Hindi ko man ginapatulan ng bongga, guys, kasi syempre alam niya yung bahay, alam niya saan kami nakatira, ganun. Hindi natin alam, syempre hindi tayo lokal. Pero hindi ako sasakay sa ganun. Bastos ka na nga, hindi pa kami nakaupo. Look at Chico, guys. Parang talong na naipit. Auntie, you're smushing Chico. Look at his cheeks now and his shoulders. His shoulders are there. Aso. Calvi, are you okay, love? You want to remove the jacket? It's hot? Joseph, help him remove his jacket. Thank you. Ayan. Behave lang yan sila basta andyan si auntie. Because auntie give them chiboko. We're almost there, love.
Eternity later.
So we have here, guys, ang authentic African handmade fan or pamaypay sa atin sa Pilipinas. Papakita ko lang sa inyo ang very short demo kung paano nila to ginagamit. Okay? So, this is how it looks. Ayan. This is made using authentic African chitenge o yung tela dito sa Africa. Available yung tela sa maraming African countries katulad ng Congo, Kenya, Uganda at marami pang iba. So basically, itong pamaypay na to ay collapsible. Kailangan mo lang tanggalin ang kanyang parang garter or elastic that holds the stick together. And then if you're not using, ayan guys, nakita nyo naman, napo-fold siya. And you can easily put this in your bag or hold this katulad ng ganito. So sobrang perfecto sa Pilipinas guys, and a very authentic touch ng Africa. Pwede nyo ilagay sa bag ninyo kapag nag-a-attend kayo ng lamay, kapag nag-a-attend kayo ng mga meeting sa eskwelahan ng mga anak ninyo, kapag nag-a-attend kayo ng kasal o reception, o nakikikain kayo dyan ng lechong manok. Pwede to all around Pilipinas or kung saan man kayo mag-travel. So again, this one is coming straight from Uganda, kontinente ng Africa. Tsaka limited stocks lang tayo guys. Kaya naku, kung gusto ninyo, PM down below. Ayun. Merong isang klase naman guys. Ito naman ay the same din. Pero nakakollapse na siya. Again, African pamaypay gamit ang tela ng Africa o yung tinatawag nilang chitenge. Pero this one, nilagyan siya ng details na camel skin. So most sa mga ganitong pamaypay ay galing pa sa Ghana, Africa. They are made locally. Paano naman to gagamitin? Meron siyang nakastrap na part para ma-hold yung kanyang stick together. So all you have to do is to remove and then open. Ayan, o diba? Bongacious guys. Talagang tatak, African at sobrang authentic. Again, you can bring this anywhere kung gusto nyo mag-travel or meron kayong mga event or kahit nasa bahay lang kayo. At maganda yung kanyang hangin guys. Malilipad yung eyelash ninyo dito. Sobrang lakas ng hangin niya. Ayun. So, i-lock nyo lang siya gamit ulit yung inyong piece ng tali na nakalagay sa dulo. And then, you can now use the fan. Wow! Kita nyo guys, malakas. Malakas ang datingan ng hangin ng pamaypay ng Africa. At saka ang daming design na pagpipilian. So if you would like one, limited lang po yung mabibitbit natin. At limited lang yung mapapadala natin sa Pilipinas. Tsaka paunahan na lang tayo. Kung ito yung gusto nyong souvenir para laging malapit sa puso ninyo at sa katawan ninyo, then get this one. Close nyo lang and then i-strap nyo na lang ulit. Then you can easily put this in your purse, in your bag, in your backpack, in your bulsa, or kahit nahawakan nyo lang. So, this is good. Alright guys, sa wakas at productive ang araw ko ngayon. Mag-isang oras na kami dito at ang dami kong na-receive na order ng African pamaypay. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Makakatulong to sa mga gastusin namin ni Auntie Christine at mga bata sa pag-uwi namin sa Pilipinas. Syempre, dahil kailangan nating mag-budget ng maayos. At the same time, gusto naming Gusto naming local travel ni Auntie. So, para makafinance yung mga local travel natin at saka makafinance ng mga magagandang experiences at least. At syempre, makapaggawa ng mga, tawag nito guys, makapag-outreach at syempre, para makapag-outreach din tayo ng konti, kailangan natin maghanap buhay. So ngayon, 5 months pregnant na ako, pero I feel so good and I feel so well na kayang-kaya ko pa rin magbenta-jenta. Yahoo! So eto na yung mga nag-order. Maraming salamat sa mga bumili at nag-order ng ating African pamaypay, African chitenge. Ayan, nakikita nyo naman, sobrang ganda. Meron tayo ditong full fabric at meron tayong fabric mixed with camel skin or camel leather. So sa mga sensitive sa balat ng hayop, dito tayo guys. Yung mga sensitive, kasi ako sensitive din ako pero hindi sa balat ng hayop, sa mga hayop. Alright, so watch out for this episode. Huwag nyo kaming iwan. Ayan si Joseph guys, sinuturuan ko siyang magbenta-benta, paano maghanap ng magandang produkto. You put here. Yan. Tapos, ang ginagawa ni Joseph, dino-double check niya lahat ng napili natin, napili ninyo. Make sure na walang damage at maayos ang pagkakatahi para lahat ay masaya. Happy? Happy?
Always.
Happy! So, maraming salamat guys sa suporta ninyo. Makakasupport din to sa ating mga naiiwang activities sa remaining days natin dito sa Uganda. Of course, again, limited stocks lang tayo guys ha. So dito naghanap ako ng magagandang klase, magagandang design. Chika ako sa inyo, nagtanong ako anong clan kasi dito sa Uganda may mga clan. Nagtanong ako sa clan ni Kabuzi. What's your name, Kabuzi? Kalanzi. Ang hirap naman ng pangalan. Nagtanong ako sa clan ni Kalanzi. His clan is Ensenene or Hoppers. And then Joseph interrupted. He said he's also on the same clan. So may mga clan. What is clan, Joseph? Can you explain further? Is it from your grand?
Yeah. It's like a lineage. It's a group of people with a similar norms and beliefs.
I thought you only have tribe. No, you another have is a clan.
No, the club is the big one.
The tribe is a big one,
Yeah,
biggest.
Then the clans are under the tribe.
Okay, now I understand. So, mga ano pala to sila, mga grasshopper or tipaklong. For me, I'm from the butterfly. What's butterfly in Luganda? I'm from butterfly clan. Alright, nakita ko maganda. Joseph, check this one. Oh, it's nice. Bella, let me see.
Go.
Guys, ang ganda ng necklace, oh. Gawa to siya sa beads, pure beads, and it's very long. Mahaba pa sa pasensya ko. Mas mahaba pa sa pasensya ko, pero ang ganda guys, very unique. It comes in different color, merong gold, merong puti, merong black, merong pula, merong green, and of course, green is my weakness. So, eto ang pinili ko. But look at that, you guys. I'm going to wear this on maternity shoot when I'm pregnant. Wearing nothing but the beads. Ah! Madam ha, hindi yan pwede. Joke lang guys, but it's really pretty as you can see. Let's get a closer look. From up here. Wow, nice. Nice. White, na black and white, and na white with multicolored beads. I'm not sure, I hope it's clear. And this is black and white. This is white. Yeah, there's another white there with a different. Oh yeah, white is nice. Okay. Ito guys ay authentic na balat ng baka. Which cow is this?
This is the Frisian.
Okay, authentic na balat ng Frisian cows. Ayan, kita nyo, skin yan siya pero treated na. Ibig sabihin, hindi na siya na ngangamoy at hindi na siya lalangawin. So, sobrang ganda. White cow, black cow, and then spotted. Frisian cows. Ganda. Maganda pati yung pagkakagawa. Is this one leather?
No, it's still the skin.
The one you used is still the skin of the cow?
Yeah,
oh,
They
okay.
cut small.
Yes. They cut it small and make it a strip to put them together.
Because it's made by hand.
Yes. Alright.
1,000 years later.
Sa wakas guys, nakauwi na rin kami ng bahay. Alas 8 na ng gabi dahil sobrang traffic. At yes. So far so good, naging productive naman ang araw namin ngayon. At ang dami ko ding na-receive na message. Wait, anak. Wait. Yes. Ang dami kong na-receive na message at positive comments tungkol kay Joseph at kay Auntie Christine sa nalalapit natin na pagpunta sa kanilang probinsya. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Dahil kung ako lang mag-isa guys, baka hindi ko kakayanin lahat ng mga magagandang goals natin sa buhay. Kaya naku, samahan nyo kami, wag nyo kaming iwan. And of course, thank you so much guys for everything. Huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like, subscribe, at samahan ako sa aking kwento galing dito sa Uganda, Africa, at pagbalik namin sa Pilipinas very soon. Syempre, maraming nagtatanong kung babalik pa ba kami ng Uganda. We have to keep in mind that the kids are half Ugandan. This is also their home. So, of course, there is a coming back sa Uganda. So, abang-abang po tayo sa lahat ng mangyayari. Again, inshallah, if God wills, it shall happen. So, I'll see you guys on the next episode. Maraming salamat po. Kaboom!